welcome to the course, the obstacle course, the Healthy Heart Challenge Ninja Warrior course. All right, we're gonna start here. Where we start? And we go here. Over the X. X to X. Pad. Get that one. There you go. Pull yourself. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's good. That's fine. That's good. So you touch the pull. Touch the pull. Touch the pull. Boom. Pull. You go over. And under. Over. And over. And over. Balance. Balance. Touch. Lily pad, lily pad. Then you make a shot. Then you come flip.
Then you come flip. Boom!
Boom! Oh! And then you come around. Come through. And then you come around from here. One foot in, one and two. One, two. We got another scooter board. Another scooter board here. There's the pull. Then you gotta keep your feet up off the ground. Jump. Push. And you jump. You got score goal. And you catch the start. Oh. You take the fish line. Woo! So that's it. That's the Healthy Heart Challenge Ninja Warrior course. See, you get to do it on Tuesday or Friday,
Or Thursday.
whatever day you come to school.
Or Thursday. Not Thursday.
So register today and tell your friends, talk to your friends about the different obstacles and how can you make it better. Whew. If you start sweating, then you're winning.